Today we're going to go in detail and I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can trade on Binance. There's so many videos on YouTube. There's so many videos and information on the internet, but this particular videos that I'm making are for students. I want to make sure that students that are living in the UK, in the US, or anywhere in the world for that matter, and they're having problems with their finances in regards to living expenses or tuition fees, anything like that. And if they can't get a scholarship, this is one of the best methods that they can go on. They can invest, they can trade, and they can actually earn a good livelihood by trading and investing in Binance. And this is my main purpose of making these videos, to make this information available and to actually guide and help all those students out there that need support right now while they're at universities. Now, the previous video that I did was an introduction to Binance. Now, if you have not watched it, click on the link above over here or in the description below to actually watch that video so you have a good understanding. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you would actually put money into your wallet and how you would trade. The most important aspect is trade on Binance. So I'm not going to go into great details for other things, but I will cover each one of them. So you would know exactly where to go and how to trade. So without further ado, let's start and let me show you how to trade on Binance. Now, as you can see over here, the webpage is Binance.com. and it's in different languages. We're doing it in English, and you can change the language from here. If you click on the language, there's so many languages. It's in Arabic, it's in Chinese, in Italian, in French, in Filipino, in Spanish as well. So anyone that's watching and want to actually look at it from their own language perspective, you can, and you can change the languages from here. This is my own personal account that I'm showing you right now. If you have not registered, I highly suggest that you register on Binance. And if you don't know how to register, you can click on the description below and there will be a link over there. You can click on it and it will take you to the registration page and you can register from there. Or you can click on the link above over here and you can go directly to the registration page on Binance and register yourself. Please register yourself. Once you get registered, then you'll be able to look at all the features that are on Binance. Now, as you can see over here, this is my account and this is my wallet. This is the orders that I've put on: spot orders, margin, P2P. I will go in details for each one of them. In my previous videos, I've shown you the homepage and I've shown you the market trend, and I've told you to please go through the learn sector over here with the BNB, the BUCD, the Bitcoins, the Ethereum, the Litecoins, the Ripples, meaning all of these. I want you to go through them. And if you have questions related to that, you can always message me on Facebook, on YouTube, on WhatsApp. I will guide you and I'll help you in regards to this. Now, the first thing that you need to do, obviously, is if you don't have money right now, you can always deposit it by your card, your debit card or your credit card. You can do a bank transfer. You can buy crypto with your Euro balance as well, or you can use third-party payments as well to put money into your wallet. Now, this is what a wallet is. I'll give you an overview. Now, this is very confusing, and I've seen a lot of videos that people aren't able to explain what the wallet is. The wallet is literally the one place where all your fundings are held. There are different types of fundings. Now, this is something that you need to keep in mind. There's different types of fundings, but all those fundings are in your wallet. Now, you have your spot, your fiat. The fiat is actually your basic currency. If it's in USDs, in rupees, in euros, in yens, it'll be over here. The margin is another method of trading on Binance. And if you want to trade in margins, you would have money in your margin wallet, in your future wallet, in your funding, in your earning, in your pool, in your vanilla options, all of these. Now, obviously, as you can see over here, this is going to be your estimated balance. Obviously, for privacy reasons, I have put a block over it so you can't see how much I have in my balance. And then these are different coins that you can buy over here. This is your BNB, this is Binary X, BNX, this is your Shiba coin as well. There are different fundings as well, and you have your cross margin, your isolated margin, USD futures, meaning these are different methods. All of this are gonna be over here in your wallet. Now, if you want to withdraw, you will go to withdraw and it will take you to another page and you will select how much you want to withdraw. And if you want to do it by your bank card or by a bank transfer or other payments, you can go over other payments and it'll give you a lot of information, a lot of options to withdraw from your account. This is withdrawing what? Euros. This is the currency that you want to withdraw. For example, you can withdraw Australian dollars, Brazilian reals, pounds as well. But if you want to withdraw your crypto, for example, if you've invested in crypto and you have, for example, Bitcoins or Ethereums, now you want to withdraw your Ethereums and your Bitcoins, but you want to take that money out, you will go to withdraw crypto over here. And when you go over here to withdraw crypto, you'll get an option. And they will ask you what coin you want to select to withdraw from. You'll go over here to the select coin. You'll select the coin that you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw Bitcoins. You'll put your address, obviously where you want. And this is the most important thing. You will select the network that you want to move it to. And this is the time frames that will come. And this is the fee that they will actually take for the withdrawal. And then you will just go ahead and press process. And once you press process, that's all you need to do. All that money will be transferred. There are hundreds of different methods that you can use to actually withdraw cash. And that's one of the basic questions a lot of people tend to ask me. A lot of students tend to ask me that how can we use this money? If you're in the UK, I'll give you a prime example. If you're in the UK and you've invested in cryptocurrency and you have earned crypto and you have made money from there, all you need to do is transfer the profit that you've made into Barclays banks or your NetWest, anywhere you want, or into your PayPal as well. You can do all of that. That is available for you. If you're in the US, again, there's multiple options. If you're in Pakistan or India, there are multiple options. In Pakistan, you have JashCash, Easy Paisa. There's so many options. You can even directly withdraw into your bank account as well. So withdrawing money from your Binance account is available. So I hope I've made that clear. If you needed any clarification whatsoever, do let me know and I'll help you in regards to how to withdraw your currency from your Binance account. Now, coming back, let's go back to the Binance, and this is the most important thing I want to show you guys right now: markets. How to look at markets. When you go to the market, you, as I explained before in my previous videos, you have your top gainer coin. The top gainer coin literally means the coin that has done the best at that particular time in 24 hours. Your top loser coin is the coin that have lost the most. This particular coin has gained 36.17, 36.31% as we're speaking, and this top coin has lost 32.91%. The top volume means literally how much is invested. Right now, one Bitcoin is worth 49,200 US dollars. If you had actually invested $100 in 2013, today's you would be might be a millionaire. So basically, you need to understand that right now is the right time to invest into this. This market is going to boom. And for students, this is for students, you have to make sure that you actually invest some amount of your money in crypto and you trade in crypto. I'm here to help and guide you in this regard. Now, the highlight coin is Mana. Mana, obviously, I'm going to show you all of these coins represent a business, and each of these business is doing something very particular. Now, each of this business is doing something particular. That way you can understand the concept behind why these coins are very important. Recently, I had a student that asked me a question in relation to crypto, and he was asking me that what is crypto? How does the crypto work? And I asked him, do you understand what money is? You, for example, go to a shop and you pay them paper. You give them paper and they give you a product. How do you know this paper is worth something? You have so many papers, but this particular note that you have in your hand, what is it worth? How do you know it is worth something? He says, because the government has given this to us and they say this is worth this much, and sometimes it is worth against gold or silver. I'm like, right now, paper is worthless. It's not even put against anything. Now, the worth of the paper is based on the ability of the economy and now the strength of the economy of a country. If the economy of a country is very strong, the value of the currency of that country is good. If the economy of that country is really bad, is low, if they're having difficulty, they don't have foreign direct investments, they don't have a good foreign reserve, that currency is going to be low. So you can see countries, let's say the US, let's say China, Europe, UK, Australia, their currency is strong. You go to Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Nepal, these countries, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, their currency is relatively weak compared to these countries with a good, strong Federal Reserve, good, strong foreign reserve. Now, this is what you need to understand. Crypto And the coins that it represents are like these countries. Each of this country, if the economy, if the structure, if the work and the programming of that company is very strong, the value of the coin is going to be very strong. For example, if Facebook launches a coin, the value of that coin is going to be really, really high. And that is the coin that we need to invest in. You and I need to invest in, because right now investing in a coin in Facebook is going to increase drastically. That is the understanding between the currency and crypto. Crypto is a methodology by which you can buy and sell. And the coins represent, for example, the countries that back that particular coin. And if the company is strong, the value of that coin is very strong. If the value of the coin is very strong, that means that it will increase and you can actually benefit from it. Now, how does a country actually make money? This is a question. It makes money by what? By importing and exporting. If their imports are low and their exports are high, that means their foreign direct investments or foreign direct reserves are very, very high. That means their economy is very strong. Similarly, if a company's processing unit, the information that they're processing and the back end in which the algorithms are running are very strong, that means the company is very strong and the coin is very strong. I'll give you an example, and I've given this example multiple times, but I need you to understand what this is. WhatsApp actually processes a lot of information in 1 second. If they're going to actually make a supercomputer and use all their servers themselves to process that information, it's going to cost them trillions of dollars. But what they do is that they actually outsource that information to people like you and me to process that information. Once we process information, you are issued with different coins for the work that you've done. Those coins then actually go into trade, and trading actually increases the price of those coins. If you need any help whatsoever, you can always comment in the section below on YouTube as well, and I'll get back to you. My next video I'm gonna look at the trade. I'm gonna show you what candles are. I'm gonna show you how the price increases and decreases and what limits are, and I'll explain this method to you. So stay tuned for my next video, and if you've not watched my previous video, do give it a watch. And if you've not watched my videos on different scholarships and you're able to get a scholarship, perfectly fine. If you're not, you can always go on Binance and you can earn from there. And if you've not registered in Binance, click in the link in the description below or above over here and register yourself right now on Binance. Until next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.